Description: luxuriously thick, petal-soft cloth soaked in a mild, alcohol-free, plant-based, no-rinse solution consisting of gentle cleansers nourishing moisturizers to tenderly soothe hydrate sensitive skin, leaving it clean supple. Benefits: soothes and hydrates skin with vitamin E, aloe and chamomile. Suggested use: excellent for cleaning face body. For diaper care, thoroughly wipe bottom. Allow skin to dry then apply ointment. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. We live in the desert, so on top of my son always feeling hot, sticky, he sweats a lot, so even though we shower him, these are really good in between wipes for any occasion. The first couple wipes feel soapy, but it's fine, it did not do anything and so far so good. They feel as if I bathe my baby. Fresh clean scent baby smell.